Welcome back. Well, some pressure coming in from the banking index, but that is about the markets. Let's shift focus to commodities now. Manisha is joining us now, and today we are focusing on steel, Manisha.
We are, because we have seen such a big sharp correction in steel prices overnight, down by more than 2.5%, so much so that you have the steel prices now trading at a 2-year lows in the international market. And there are a couple of reasons for the prices declining as well. You are looking at lower investment in the property sector in China. That has been a concern for some time, but it now is showing on-ground demand as well. So the investment in this year is down by nearly 8%. And then apart from that, there also is a report from World Steel Association suggesting that this year demand will decline by 2.3% in the global markets there. It also has to do with the weak manufacturing activity that we have seen from Japan, US and European Union that continues to weigh on to most of these industrial metals. Having said that, the street will watch out for the third quarter US GDP data that comes in on Thursday, and the new direction would come in from there. I also want to put on screen what the steel prices have done in this year until now. We opened on a firm note and then we saw a high of 5,200, but currently, and this is the low for this year as well and the low for last 2 years also, that we're just about holding 3,600 yuan per ton in case of the steel prices there. Interestingly, the kind of decline or the sell-off that we have seen in commodities, most of the global banks and brokerages are suggesting that you buy at these current levels. A latest one from Goldman Sachs suggests that in the next 3 months, commodities will give you 12.8% of a return, 21% in 6 months and nearly 35% in the next 12 months. They also have segregated it commodity-wise, and in the next 12 months, their view is that energy will give you the maximum returns at around 46.7%, base metals at 29%, and precious metals should be in your portfolio, because here as well in the next 12 months, 23 to 24% of gains is what they're expecting.
All right, Manisha, thanks a lot for that. So that's in the commodity space, but here's some important market opinion that's coming in from Ramesh Damani.